Hello, dear students. Today we shall learn about the symbols of elements in more details. In the previous class, we have discussed about the definition of symbol. A symbol is defined as an abbreviation or shorthand sign for the full name of an element. One or more letters are used to write the symbol of an element, and especially the letter are derived from the English name of the element. It is known to us 118 elements has been discovered, and the symbol of these elements are proposed and approached by IUPAC, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. This is a full form of IUPAC. Now we shall see the category of representing the symbol of the elements. So at first we shall discuss here. First, capital letter representing the name of the element. By taking the first capital letter, we can represent the element like this. So here you see the table. Boron, simply B, carbon C, fluorine F, hydrogen H, iodine I. In this way, it is given in the table. You see the description box. I will share it with you. Now, the two letters representing the name of the elements. For example, here I have given here aluminium, capital A, small l, argon, capital A, small r, like this, cadmium, capital C, small d, lithium, capital L, small I, magnesium, capital M and small g. In this way, it is given the table here. You see it. Not all the name of the elements has been given. A few of has been given here. So next we shall see here symbol derived from Latin name of the elements rather than the English name. The elements given here have been derived from their Latin name. I have given you the table here. Name of the element, Latin name, symbol, for example, antimony, its Latin name is strontium, and the symbol is Sb. For mercury, it is hydrogen, Hg. For silver, argentum, Ag. For sodium, natrium, Na. For potassium, gallium, K. For tin, stannum, Sn. In this way, it is given. Next year, elements after the names of the scientists, prominent scientists. In respect of them, they will given the symbol like this. For example, curium. In respect of Madame Curie, this here, the symbol is C. Einsteinium. In respect of Albert Einstein, it is similarly fermium, Enrico Fermi, Fm. So in this way, it is given in respect of the prominent scientist. Röntgenium, Röntgen, Rg. In this way, Nobelium, in respect of Alfred Nobel, No. So, in respect of few prominent scientists, the name of few elements has been given with a symbol like this. Now, name of the elements after name of the continent, countries or cities or scientific laboratories. So name of the element, country, city, laboratory, or whatever may be. For example, here Berkelium, city of Berkeley, California, University of California, Americium, United States of America, Francium, University of France, Germanium, Germany. In this way it has been given, and the symbol has been given Berkelium BK, Californium CF, Americium AM. In this way, Moscovium, Moscow is MC. Next year, elements after the name of the planets. So, element, name of the planet, symbol uranium, Uranus, according to planet Uranus, U. Neptunium, according to planet Neptune, it is NP. Plutonium, according to planet Pluto, it is Pu. Now, you shall see here, what does this symbol, a symbol represents? A symbol represents the name of an element. It represents one atom of the element, the number of parts by weight of an element, and 1 gram atom of an element. For example, symbol O represents here element oxygen, 1 atom of oxygen, 16 part by weight of oxygen, and 1 gram atom of oxygen. That is equal to 16 grams. Similarly, we can see here, suppose the symbol C. What does it represent? It represents 1 gram. It represents the symbol, the C represents the element carbon. Then 1 atom of carbon. Third, it represents 12 parts by weight of carbon. Fourth one is that 1 gram atom of carbon, that is equal to 12 grams. Similarly, electron N represent nitrogen, the element nitrogen, 1 atom of nitrogen, your 14 parts by weight of nitrogen, and 1 gram atom of nitrogen is equal to 14 grams. 14 grams. In this way, so these are the significance, 4 significance of the symbol. From symbol, you can know the full name of the element and 1 atom of that element, the number of parts by weight of an element, or 1 gram atom of an element. So this is all about the symbol. So dear student, please like, share and subscribe my channel and see the description box for detail. Thank you all.